Hello everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making butterscotch chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, so let's get to it. First, grind up 1.5 cups of oats in a blender. This helps make sure that our cookies do not end up chewy. Now, mix together 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of softened butter. Now beat in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now mix in 2 cups of flour. Now mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now add in your grinded up oats. Now add in 1 cup of butterscotch chocolate chips and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now place them on a cookie sheet. Put them in the oven for 9 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When your cookies come out of the oven, they'll look like they're not done and need to keep cooking. However, they are finished and they will deflate after cooling down. Now enjoy your delicious cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends. See you next time on BG Bakers.